Check it out, guys. We got us another sexy Ram TRX. Whew! Look at that stance on this beast. What a beautiful truck. I have a kind heart for Rams TRXs. They're beautiful trucks. So what we did on this one, let me show you. Converter. Then it comes factory true dual. As you guys can see, it runs this way. Then this one runs this way. Then they put this massive X pipe on it right there. Then he brought us two SLPs, resonators, loudmouths they call them. Right there, here's the part number. There'll be a link in the description for them. SLB loudmouth, right there. So we took the two stock mufflers off and installed them in their place. Then it runs true dual continues on this side and this side. And then it's got resonators. They use Chevy style of resonators. There, and you can see it there. There's three of them total into some 5-inch angle cut tips to complete the look. So it's clean. It's a really nice truck. TRX. See it? Right there. Boom. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you guys hear it. And there's the stock mufflers that were on it that we cut off. They're tiny, but they make such a huge difference. So we're about to let you guys hear this TRX. And like always, guys, subscribe. Like it. Look at this beast. What a beast. Go ahead. Right at 118. Have nothing but a V8, man. It's perfect. It's actually cleaner than straight pipe. The SLPs, they sound good. I think a lot of people, you're helping a lot of people with this one. They're gonna love it. It just gives it a distinctive tone. Wow. So it's got a taser. Security system, guys. It says best in the business. Listen to this. Wow. That sounds mean. You gotta admit, that's a beautiful truck. Beautiful sound. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Really awesome guy, beautiful truck, perfect all the way around. And now it sounds good. Wow, that sounds phenomenal. Enjoy, guys.